Welcome to Rookie Fact Finder. Dive into a world of fascinating facts, quirky discoveries, and unexpected insights. Whether you're a curious newbie or a seasoned explorer, there's something here for everyone. Let's uncover the unknown together. In the world of automobiles, astonishing facts abound, revealing the industry's remarkable evolution and impact. Buckle up for a ride through mind-blowing insights. Did you know that the first automobile was invented in 1885 by Carl Benz? This groundbreaking invention laid the foundation for the modern automotive industry, revolutionizing transportation forever. Fast forward to today, and the global automobile market is worth over $3 trillion. This staggering figure highlights the industry's significance in the global economy, influencing everything from manufacturing to employment. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are changing the game. In 2020, global EV sales surged by 43%, with over 3 million units sold. This shift towards sustainable transportation is reshaping the industry, pushing traditional automakers to innovate rapidly. The Ford Model T, introduced in 1908, is often credited with making cars accessible to the masses. Its production line method reduced costs and time, allowing Ford to sell over 15 million units by 1927. Safety features have come a long way since the early days. The introduction of seatbelts in the 1960s significantly reduced fatalities. Today, advanced technologies like automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assist are standard in many vehicles, enhancing safety on the roads. The automobile industry is also a major player in job creation. In the United States alone, it supports over 10 million jobs, from manufacturing to sales and service. This extensive network highlights the industry's vital role in the economy. Interestingly, the average car on the road today is about 12 years old. This longevity reflects advancements in manufacturing quality and technology, allowing vehicles to last longer than ever before. The rise of autonomous vehicles is another fascinating development. Companies like Waymo and Tesla are leading the charge, with self-driving technology expected to revolutionize transportation and reduce accidents caused by human error. Did you know that the world's fastest production car is the Bugatti Chiron Supersport? It reached a mind-boggling speed of 304 in 2019, showcasing the incredible engineering capabilities of modern automakers. In terms of fuel efficiency, hybrid vehicles are making waves. The Toyota Prius, launched in 1997, was one of the first mass-produced hybrids, and it paved the way for a new era of eco-friendly driving. The automotive industry is also a significant contributor to environmental challenges. In 2019, transportation accounted for nearly 29% of greenhouse gas emissions in the U.S., prompting a push for cleaner technologies and regulations. The concept of car sharing is gaining traction, with companies like Zipcar and Turo offering alternatives to traditional car ownership. This trend reflects changing consumer preferences, especially among younger generations who prioritize access over ownership. In the luxury segment, brands like Rolls-Royce and Bentley continue to push the boundaries of customization. Buyers can personalize every detail, from the color of the leather seats to the stitching patterns, making each vehicle a unique masterpiece. The automotive industry is also embracing digital transformation. From online car sales to virtual showrooms, technology is reshaping how consumers interact with brands and make purchasing decisions. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the automobile industry has been profound. Supply chain disruptions and semiconductor shortages have led to production delays, affecting vehicle availability and prices. In terms of global markets, China is the largest automobile market in the world, with over 25 million vehicles sold in 2020. This dominance highlights the country's growing middle class and increasing demand for personal transportation. The future of the automobile industry is electric, with major automakers pledging to transition to electric vehicles. Companies like General Motors and Volkswagen aim to phase out gasoline-powered cars entirely by 2035, signaling a significant shift in the industry. The rise of ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft has transformed urban transportation. These platforms have changed how people think about car ownership, making it more convenient to get around without owning a vehicle. In terms of innovation, 3D printing is making waves in automotive manufacturing. This technology allows for rapid prototyping and the production of complex parts, reducing costs and lead times. The automotive industry is also heavily regulated, with safety and emission standards varying by country. These regulations drive innovation as manufacturers strive to meet stringent requirements while maintaining performance. Finally, the emotional connection people have with their cars cannot be overlooked. For many, a vehicle represents freedom, adventure, and personal identity, making it more than just a mode of transportation. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, these mind-blowing facts illustrate its dynamic nature and profound impact on society. From groundbreaking technologies to changing consumer behaviors, the future of automobiles is sure to be just as fascinating as its past. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of automobiles, where innovation and tradition collide in exciting ways. Thanks for watching Rookie Fact Finder. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support helps the channel grow and brings you even more fascinating facts. See you next time.